show you some great recipes with kimchi later in the video, so stay tuned.